This is a moment that I want you to enjoy and look back on with fond nostalgia, being grateful for all that has been achieved in the past and eagerly awaiting what lies ahead of you. You're ready. You're really ready for this. You've been beautifully taught and well loved every day. You're brave, you're strong, you're full of good heart and kindness. You have deep and firm foundations. Now build on. Walk with us up that hill and make the future yours. Teach everybody who joins you next year what is the Barker way, how we do our lessons, how we're kind to each other, how we commit to the activities that are in front of us. And so we rise to be the best version of ourselves.
I hope that you will take your junior school experiences and use them as the foundation for a great future. I will watch your journey with great interest. Congratulations on reaching the end of primary school, and thank you for the wonderful contribution you have made to the junior school.